Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tech for your ride. Today we're diving into the top 5 dash cameras of 2025, featuring cutting-edge technology to keep you and your vehicle safe. Don't miss out on these must-have gadgets. Let's jump in. Let's start with the Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam, a truly all-in-one solution for complete vehicle surveillance. This high-tech dash cam features a triple-channel system with 4K front, 1080p inside, and 1080p rear recording, ensuring full coverage from every angle. Its Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, paired with PlatePix technology and HDR night vision, provides stunning clarity, even in low-light conditions, making it perfect for nighttime driving. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you view and manage recordings directly from your smartphone, while voice control adds hands-free convenience. GPS functionality tracks your route and speed, and the 24-hour parking mode offers round-the-clock protection for your vehicle. With support for up to 512 gigabytes of storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space. If you're looking for ultimate reliability and performance, the Vantrue N4 Pro is a standout choice. Next up, we have the ROVE R 2-4K Dual Dash Cam, a front and rear dash camera that offers outstanding features and performance. Equipped with the Starvis 2 sensor, this dash cam captures ultra-clear 4K footage from the front and full HD from the rear, ensuring sharp and detailed recordings in all lighting conditions. The package includes a free 128GB memory card, so you're ready to start recording right out of the box. With 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, it boasts the fastest download speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second, allowing you to quickly transfer videos to your phone via the dedicated app. Its 3-inch IPS screen provides a crystal clear display for live viewing or playback, while the 24-hour parking mode ensures your car is monitored even when you're away. If reliability and high-speed connectivity are what you're after, the ROVE R 2-4K Dual Dash Cam is an excellent choice. Now, let's take a look at the Miofive front and rear dash camera, a premium dual dash cam that delivers incredible performance and features. This camera records in 4K Ultra HD at the front and 2K resolution at the rear, providing crystal clear video quality for complete coverage. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi, you can quickly transfer recordings to your smartphone or device for easy viewing and sharing. The integrated GPS tracks your route and speed, adding valuable data to your recordings. It comes equipped with 128 gigabytes of built-in eMMC storage, ensuring durability and faster read-write speeds compared to traditional memory cards. Powered by a supercapacitor, it's designed for reliability even in extreme temperatures. Night vision, motion detection, and a G-sensor round out the features, making the Miofive a fantastic option for those looking for top-notch performance and convenience. Let's move on to the VIOFO A329 4K60 FPS dash cam, a cutting-edge dual dash camera designed for crystal clear recordings and seamless functionality. Featuring dual Starvis 2 sensors, it captures Ultra HD 4K video at 60 FPS in the front and an impressive HDR enhanced footage in the rear, ensuring exceptional clarity in any lighting conditions. This dashcam supports Wi-Fi 6 for blazing fast app control and video downloads, making it incredibly convenient to manage your recordings. It boasts compatibility with massive storage options, supporting up to a 4TB SSD or 512GB microSD card, so you'll never run out of space. The 2-channel HDR ensures even lighting and detailed video quality, making it perfect for professional drivers or daily commuters. With advanced features like motion detection, GPS tracking, and robust build quality, the VIOFO A329 is a top-tier choice for those who want the best in video performance and reliability. Finally, let's talk about the Miden S7 2.5K dash cam, a fantastic dual dash camera offering exceptional value and features. This device records in 1600p Full HD at the front and 1080p at the rear, delivering clear and detailed footage. With wide-angle lenses of 176 degrees in the front and 160 degrees at the rear, it provides excellent coverage of your surroundings. The 3.2-inch IPS screen ensures an easy-to-navigate interface for live viewing and playback. It comes with a 64GB SD card included, so you're ready to start recording right out of the box. Advanced features like loop recording, WDR for enhanced image quality, night vision, motion detection, and a G sensor for collision detection ensure comprehensive protection. Additionally, the 24-hour parking monitor provides peace of mind when you're away from your vehicle. The Miden S7 is a reliable and affordable choice for all your driving needs. And that wraps up our look at the top dash cameras of 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.